everyone, this is Jenn Lockwood with Mount Hood Meadows. I am the Alpine Training Coordinator and Ski Instructor there. I'm also a member of the PSIA Northwest Technical Team and owner of Peak Fitness Northwest here in Mount Hood, Oregon. I am bringing to you your 3-minute dynamic warm-up that will go with your workout that we gave you last week. Total body strength workout with mobility. So be sure to start that workout with this 3-minute dynamic warm-up. Here we go. Starting with jumping jacks. Seal jacks. Gate swings. Spider-Man push-ups. Back lunge and reach. Grasshopper push-ups. Side lunges. And a torso rotation. And big arm circles. Reverse directions. That's your 3-minute dynamic warm-up. Be sure to do that before you perform the workout that we gave you last Friday. Now, it's your turn to get fit, ski hard, and have fun. Cheers.